Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello YouTube Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create optical mark recognition sheet, that means OMR sheet in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open any kinds of Microsoft Word file. So here in this file we will go to the home. Already I have opened it before. Then go to the paragraph sites. Here the thing number formats we will use. So click here. Then we have to write 24D0. Then we have to press Alt X. Then we have to press Alt X. See, the thing has revealed in this way. Then we have to go to the space and we have to press again 24D1. Then we have to press aggregate with the Alt X. See the B. Now again in this way we will press 24D2. Then we have to press Alt X. See, so before that we have to give space thing. Now again we have to give the space. Now we will do again 24D3. Then we have to press Alt X. See, D. In this way we will do these things. Now we will do the copy, then press the enter, then paste. In this way again we will do enter, then copy paste. We see, in this way we see. So in this way we can do, or we can create the optical mark recognition, that means OMR sheet. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.